Hi, I will be helping you today with modeling exponential equations. The value of a car purchased for 20,000 decreases at a rate of 12% per year. What will be the value of the car after 3 years? You have some information here. 20% is the initial value. Equals 20,000, sorry. The rate is 12%. The rate equals 12%. When you put the 12% in an equation, it's going to be in a decimal form, which is 0.12. You always convert to the calculator. 12 divide 12 by 100. What will be the price of the car after 3 years? So the number of years x equals 3 over, if the rate decreases 12% each year, so that's going to be 3, the number of years divided by 1, which is going to be 3. Okay. The future value of the car equals, this is the formula that you need to memorize. It's not going to be in the test, so you're not going to have any reference like this. You need to memorize this formula. Some people write differently, but all of them means the same thing. The future value equals the initial value, A, times the rate, 1 plus the rate, to the power of number of years, where A, let me just write them here, A equals 20,000, B equals 1, either plus or minus. In this case, if it's decreasing, so it's going to be minus the rate, this number that you got here, 0.12. Okay, and to the power of x, x is the number of cycles, the number of roundings, in this case equals 3. So the future value equals A, which is 20,000, times B, which is 1 minus 0.12, to the power of x. Calculator, 20,000 times 1 minus 0.12 to the power of, I'm sorry, x is in this case is 3, to the power of 3 equals 13,629.44, and that is a choice B. What will be the value of the car? Always make sure that you get the right answer. What will be the value of the car after 3 years? This is the value after 3 years, and it makes perfect sense. If the car decreases 12% each year, okay, and the price of the car is $20,000, of course choice D is not right, because 28 is higher than 20,000. The number is decreasing. It's not 17,000 because 12%, I'm going to show you another way to do this problem. If the price is decreasing 12% each year, and that's how you do it. It's like if you have 20,000, okay, times 12% equals 2,400. So the first year the price of the car decreased by 2,400. Subtract 20,000 minus 2,400 equals, after the first year the price of the car would be that. The second year you multiply this number by 240, I'm sorry, by 12.12 equals equals this number, and then you subtract 17,600 minus 2,112 equals this amount. The next year, or the third year, the amount decreases by 12%. You multiply this amount by 12, and then you subtract 15488 minus 1858.56 equals 13629.44. These are two ways to do it. Of course, you cannot use this method with a calculator, whatever I just did, all the times, because how about if you need to find the price of the car after 15 years? You cannot do that 15 times. So the easiest way to do it is just to memorize the formula, know how to work the formula out, and substitute the numbers like this. Work well.